You ready to hear two poets up here at one time? That's what we're going to do. Now we have a small open mic list because the slam went really fast, okay? So, the first person on the, or the first people on the open mic list, we got Mike, McCann, and Bird.
What's up, y'all? Everybody alright? We started doing poetry in Tallahassee at FSU. Probably been down here about like a year now. This is our first time in Palm Beach, and we love the energy, man. We'll definitely be back. We are a part of a 6-person team called Team ADHD. So we're gonna do a little group poetry for y'all real quick. Everybody ready? All right. So, you know, a lot of times, you know, especially when we started, people thought poetry could only be, you know, sad and sappy stuff. So we had to give them something different. We had to show them that we have fun up here too, all right?
I need
a plus size princess.
I need a super slim.
I need a big bone beauty.
I need a size 1 booty. I
need a chick to finish her whole plate when we go on a date. See, a dude like me ain't afraid of a little punch because real dudes know that's just more than love.
My taste is a bit wiser. I need a girl can't finish her appetizer. Only thing thick should be the steak on my plate. You big girls, you're left alone. Can't take you home if you ain't skin and bone.
See, I don't know what he be on, but it was just December. And all those skinny chicks was trying to get winter fresh, but ain't nothing hot as that big red, right? And that juicy fruit. I don't need no skinny single shit. I need me a double McThick chick.
Damn that shit. Once winter, fall, spring calls, and a big girl in a 2-piece ain't called for. I need mine small size. I order my women without the roll on the side.
You are so damn right. Now picture this, y'all. Which would you rather be with? Paris Hilton, on a diet, at the clinic,
or 5 hours of sleep, under Monique, no AC.
Well, I'm gonna pick Monique because we all see she a big sexy freak.
I'm gonna pick Paris instead. Give me some of that sex tape, man. Ain't gotta go to the gym to lift no Slim Jim. I leave that to those guys. I like mine fun size.
Well, you can supersize mine. I need mine a lot bigger than one of these little stick figures. I need something to hold on to when we get home. So, girl, you better put some meat on them bones.
Fuck that. I need my titties so flat, I suck her nipples from the back.
I can't get with them. I need titties so big I can lose shit in them.
I need my booty meat so petite, one hand palm both cheeks.
Now that's just wrong. I need an ass so big it make any pair of drawers a thong.
If you never gave a damn about fitting a size 2, just know my boy Bird is looking for you.
Now, if your watch size and your waist size is one and the same, you go ahead and get it, my boy Mike McCann. As men, we like it all. Big, small, and all in between. I don't know what they want, but this is what I need.